Hello viewers, this is Dr. Rana and today I am going to explain you that how you can construct the simple 3D geometries in the console. So you have to go in the geometry portion. The option is either you can click right button to see the inbuilt primitives options and the basic blocks which you can use. 4 basic blocks are there. Either you can go or you can go to this options. So I'll start with a simple block, cubicle block, and if I wish to construct the cubicle block, this dimension is 111. So you can use this is the actually, and the corner is being used for 0 0. If I wish to check from every side, you can say that length, breadth options are there, and this is your three-dimensional geometry. If I wish to construct a hole in between the cube, so option will be the same. You have to use a basic Boolean algebra like in the two-dimensional geometric construction. So this is one thing. I wish to make a cylindrical hole, so I choose a cylinder and I can choose a radius little bit small and construct it. You can see that this is actually the cylinder constructed with the radius this, but position is important. So if you wish to check the position, you go by face wise. You can see that in the xy face the center is 0 0 here, because you are using the center 0 0 and you wish to move it at the center. So you can use the center 0.5 and 0.5 and build it. Yeah, your cylinder is now shifted to the center of the cube and your hole is now on the xy plane. So you can check it whether it's okay. Yeah, this is in the cylinder. So next option is the Boolean. You can either click directly here or you can go with the right button. So you can click on this. Boolean is you have to use the differences. So this is your outer body, and now you have to subtract the cylinder from this body and build it. Yeah, you can see the hole in between the cylinder, and if you wish to see the xy plane, this is okay. Otherwise in other planes obviously there will be no view of any hole. And similarly you can construct more complex type of geometries in the console. This is a simple way, but sometimes you have to construct the domain which is not of this type, like block, cylinder, and or the basic spherical shape. So you have to construct your own. So I'll give you the demo for that. So I'll disable all this first. You can use a disable command if you are not using this. So now it's blank. So the another option you can use is the work plane option. Then you can extrude the surface from the work plane. You can make the three-dimensional geometry. It is just like framing your three-dimensional geometry on the two-dimensional plane. This is just the cross section of the geometry. So you can click either from here or that side. So I can click in here. So when I go for this framework, this is my framework, and there is option is plane geometry. You can press right. This is the option you can use. Then you extrude it for three-dimensional geometry. Simple thing is you can use available here also is the line, which is actually in here. The line option is here plane geometry. The line is basically this, the Bezos polygon. Anyway, you can click this line and you can construct your geometry, whatever the geometry you wish to construct. Just press the left click so I am constructing a rough draft. this is the actually the outline for the geometry. Okay, this will be the geometry, and if you wish to stop it, press right click. This is actually the line segments which I have drawn, and if you wish to construct a three-dimensional format, then it's possible. Otherwise you can use the more options for that. In the plane geometry, so this is, you can say that lines are being used. So there are more options here. You can go for the more option in this plane geometry. You can construct, click right, and you can say that there is option like conversion to solid, transformation. So the transformation you can use just like if I say that rotation. So rotation, you can rotate this surface to any angle and you can build it. So this is the rotation. And if you wish to use the more polygon type options, you can construct a base for this surface. So now these are two surfaces, and you wish to use the basic Boolean, also called union, this surface and this surface, and build it. You can keep the interior or you can remove the interior. So this is the model, you can say that. So this is how you can construct your two-dimensional the cross section of the three-dimensional geometry as a two-dimensional work frame. So now next option is that how you can extrude the three-dimensional this. The option is simple. You can click right on this, on the work plane. So there is option extrude. Surface is this. VP1 is this is actually work plane 1 is you can construct more work plane, you can mix it, and height you wish to use 0.2 I suppose, and you can build it. Now this is actually the three-dimensional picture you wish to see. This is actually a three-dimensional, and you have just constructed a two-dimensional model, and you can construct any of geometry of this type. So there is a more complex models are available, like car model and any piston type model where small button, small screw is important. So you need to take care of everything. Now another option is that you can use AutoCAD and you can import your graphics, your figure here in the comsol. No need to use comsol as for the default graphic, you can use it from anywhere. So this is how the comsol can easily import and export the figures and even the complex figures. So hope you will like this video, and for more videos you can subscribe my channel Scientific Rana. Have a nice day.